going to have a fantastic and awesome day. And today, it's part 3 of showing you all of my fidgets. So yeah, I don't want to make the intro too long, so let's get started. Maybe. Anyways, let's get started. First we have this little popper thingy. It's nice. I don't know. It came off one of my water bottles that I haven't put back on yet. And you have these holes. It's right. Now, next. I already did this one. But yeah, this crunch ball. So I have this crunch ball, and I already did this one too. If you haven't already watched part 2 and part 1, go check those out. So yeah, anyways. So next we have this mini tangle. I don't like it. It's barely useful. I think it's my friend. Actually, no, my friend hates tangles. So yeah. I know she's weird. Hurts me. But she calls it elbow macaroni. So yeah, anyways. But next we have this bear watch. It's like one of those little maze puzzles. Perfect for school because it's like a watch and you can play with it. Oh, I also do not recommend, please do not see, I was just joking about that, do not do that. Do not bring fidgets into school unless your teacher allows them or you need them. But yeah. Next we have this pea popper. I love pea poppers. It is broken though, so yeah. That's okay because it's still very usable. I love it. It's super quiet. It's an awesome fidget. Anyways, next. That wasn't very loud, but anyways, next we have this infinity cube. I love this. My friend gave it to me. My friend gives me a lot of fidgets. Yeah. I love this one. It's super nice. I'm obsessed with it. Super nice. Anyways, last but not least, let's do the next fidget. Last but not least, we have the classic Simple Dimple. I love this Simple Dimple with all my heart and soul. It's amazing. I take this one go with me everywhere. It's super nice. And I still have the carabiner. I just don't know where it is right now. But actually I do this on my suitcase, so yeah. But anyways, this is an amazing fidget. Keeps you busy for hours. I love it. So yeah. So guys, that was me showing you all of my fidgets. This was the very short part of it. So if you have not watched all the other parts, please go watch them. And I hope you all have a fantastic day. And yeah, wait, before I leave, I would like to say hi to Carl, Maddie, mostly Carl. Hi, Carl, and Savannah. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, have a fantastic day. I don't know. I'm just gonna put all my fidgets back in the bin because this video is 3 minutes long. So yeah, let's do that really quick. So here are all the fidgets that I just showed you. Yeah! I love my call. And, so I'm gonna start cleaning them up, and I'm just gonna be talking to you, I guess. I don't know. So, yeah. There we go, that's better. So, yeah. So, hi to Carl, Maddie, whoever is watching this. Hi! Consider this a shout out for you. Again, if you're watching this, you got a shout out just right now. Hope you enjoyed that. I hope that made you happy. I forgot my fans. I know, I'm dumb. But anyways, yeah. So, you know, Savannah, Carl, Maddie. I forgot who the other people are, but yeah. Oh my god, my voice. Look at my voice. Oh my god. So, oh yeah. Carl got a Nito. And no trade. Wahaha. So, guys, you know how people pack, like, fake orders and you just put them in the comments of what you want? So, do you want me to start doing that? So you can tell me what to pack and I'll definitely pack it if I have it. And yeah, there's gonna be, like, extras and stuff. So yeah. So tell me if you want that and just put it in the comments or the discussion bar. Actually, kind of gotta put it in the discussion bar because I don't have comments. I remember when me and my friend got these at Cracker Barrel in Williamsburg. For a while, it's like been on and off of if I can write comics on Wednesday or not. Hope you understand. But when I do post, I'm really happy to see you guys and talk to you. And let's see how many views we can get on this video. See if we can get a lot. That video that I made of cleaning, going live and cleaning my room, I don't know why that interested you guys so much, because I have 99 views. If we can get to 100, that would be amazing. Straight up amazing. I just realized how many poppets I have. I have a lot. I should do a video counting them. Actually, I'm gonna count them right now. Get all my pockets, including my dimples, including these, and my simple dimples. Give me that. So I'll just do counting all my pockets at the end. Yeah. So let's make sure I got all of them. Oh wait, right one. There we go. I love how this feels. 10 out of 10. You need to make this. Oh, also, guys should comment numbers because we can play the poppet game and you can pick a poppet. And I'll show you all the poppets that I have. Okay. And I have a marble in this video bag. So yeah, now let's count it. By Infinity Cubes. Props to Carl for giving me this. Yes, thank you. Anyways, so first we have my simple dimples. So 1. Then we have this mini heart poppet. 2. We have this one. 3. Oh, don't take this as any way of I'm flexing. I'm not, and please don't hate on this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Wow, I have 12 poppets. Dang, okay. So yeah. So if you want to play a poppet game, just comment another, and I'll show you all my poppets. So I have this avocado poppet, I have this flower poppet, this crab poppet, rainbow poppet, teal poppet, ABC poppet, and this say broken poppet, and then yellow circle poppet. This one's broken. And then for these, you can pick a number. So I have this, tie-dye, and then rainbow. So yeah. And then for this one, this side, right there, that side, people, so you would say pink or green, and then you would pick a number. So yeah, tell me, just put that in the comments, and tell me if you guys want me to do that. And also the fidget orders, so let's say you packed a blue fidget order, I would pack blue fidgets, or you would pack like popping, or you said popping orders, or something like that. But yeah, so that would be really fun for you to do that. Yeah, if you want to do that, just put it in the discussion bar. So you gotta go to my channel, and there would be a discussion, so the home and then the videos, and like 2 ways from that would be discussion, and then that's basically what I call my comments. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you haven't already, and if you haven't subscribed already. Also, if you did not subscribe, I'm totally fine with that. Still got a place in my heart. Don't take that the wrong way.